Alright guys, welcome to part 3 of this video, and as you can see, I was still talking about here, Fluid Master. Surprise, surprise, I had a Fluid Master installed to begin with that eventually fell apart, so I replaced it from this at Lowe's. And again, always a pleasure doing business with the wonderful customer service people here at Lowe's, because they always do a good job. And if I can't find stuff, I'll just ask somebody instead of trying to figure things out with apps and machines, which is not my preferred route. The people, remember when people loved to go to businesses because of the people that were working there? Anyway, this is 2022. People don't care about that anymore. At least the people hiring don't care about that anymore. At least Lowe's still hires good people, and that is great. Anyway, this is pretty good.
Likey